Hmm. You're live.
Hi.
Nobody's joined yet.
இந்த side வந்து. Did you get my cloth?
Vijaya's auntie says hi.
Hi.
She says hello, mommy.
Hello. யாரு?
Vijaya Balakrishnan.
Hello Vijaya.
Sudha Kailash says hi.
She's also admin. Hi.
Niranjana Gauri Shankar says hi.
Hi. I meant to say everybody hi.
Preeti Sridhar says hi, ma'am. Okay, you can start the program. So first, start.
Hi. I am Lakshmi Chari and Vijaya has asked me to do some upcycling. She liked what I did, this upcycling in the Facebook I had put. She's a very good friend of mine. So nowadays we don't use now plastic bottles, we use glass bottles. So I thought instead of plain glass bottles, why not we do some artwork on the bottle so they will look nice in the fridge. So I had done one which Vijaya liked and she asked me to do that in this group. Inspiring
Thoughts on arts.
inspiring thoughts of arts. So thank you Vijaya for putting me in this. I love you and see I started doing some of this because like this if we do go to do na the background and all it will take long time. So I'm already done like this. Even small bottles we can do like this. See, I already drew and this is Gond art. Gond art is basically tribal art. So you need not bother about the perfection of the figure. They usually do it in a very big wall and very big canvas. So they don't bother about the perfection of the figure. It is the hatching. Hatching is what we do like this. This is known as hatching. So the hatching makes the painting very beautiful. Like here I have done on canvas all this hatching work. I was in Chennai when I learnt all this and thanks to my teacher Balaji who taught me all the tribal arts and folk art of India. Thank you. Now you can watch how I am doing. This elephant I had done with a grey color. It is a small milkshake bottle. Now I have hatched it with a biscuit color dots. Now I will do it with a pink color dots. Like that you go on. You go on and it becomes like a meditation. It relieves you of all your mental tension and other things. I use mostly in the bottle na. Don't mix water. Camel acrylic colors are very good. So we can use camel acrylic color. I have some imported colors also which are very good flow in them. So I use mostly acrylic only. For this sort of painting, acrylic looks nice.
Chitra Chitya is also joined.
Hi Chitra.
So what type of brush are you using?
I am using 00 star fine art brush.
So where does Gond come from?
Yeah, Gond is basically from Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh border and Maharashtra's northern border. It is a Bill community. Bill community is a very large tribal people. Those people are known as Gondi people. They do this painting in their wall. And the dots and the stripes, they call it as the cells of the body, which are denoted by the dots and the stripes. So many variety of hatching is done. So mainly dots and stripes which they do. It's Bill community ka paintings.
So when did you start doing Gond?
I have been doing it since 10 years. I do all sorts of art paint, and this is one of my favorite because you can go crazy, you can do whatever you want with the colors, and then you do the hatching is what makes it more lively, na? And it looks contemporary also. It's not very traditional, contemporary. You can do any contemporary painting in this.
What other types of Gond artwork have you done?
I've done in the papers, canvas, this.
So can you do different types of hatching in the same
No,
figure?
then it won't look nice. It won't look nice. But if it is a big one like this, here some different type of hatching is done. Here dots are also done. Here stripes are done. So you have to see how it will do mismatching. Then you can do.
So someone saying it's a room full of only Gond. So they're appreciating your passion for Gond. So can you tell us about other paintings you have done in Gond?
I have done one big 5 feet by 4 feet, which is in America, framed and put. For my brother, I did. It is a story of the forest, how elephant herds were taking the baby elephant out for a walk or something, and it is a forest like structure, and in that there is on hunter also. Hunter, yeah, we can do human figures also in gold, but human figures now they look nice. They also look very nice, very beautiful. But today I have not done any human figure, and I have not displayed also any human figure. It is all birds, which I love too much, and this deer also I like. So I haven't displayed human figures, but I did once, and you remember Tare Zameen Par?
Yeah.
Tare Zameen Par, I did one lady who was hugging a tree and a savior, which won the first prize.
Right.
So human figures also very nice.
So do you have to be very good at art to do this?
Basic sketching, if you know, is enough. Basic sketching.
Okay.
But for small children, somebody can, the bottle, na, somebody can do it for them, the outline, and then give them. If small kids are doing now, it will be difficult for them otherwise.
So an outline like this?
Yeah, down and fill it up with one color, then they can do the hatching.
Then they
But
can-
it's okay even if small kids now, so it is okay even if there is some mistakes now. Gold is always no problem. You can always adjust it.
Yeah,
So
the
this
story
is-
of how Highgrave drew a snake, drew a line on the tree, and you made it into a snake.
Snake, yeah. When I had an exhibition in Chennai, so Highgrave was too small at that time. He came and just kirkitam, the painting lavanda. So that I didn't have the heart to scold him. He was only 2 year old. So that kirkal was converted into a snake.
So somebody is asking, Mami's face is very similar. Do I know you from Chennai?
Yeah.
Sudha Kailas.
So I am from Chennai. I used to be in Chennai for quite a long time, in West Mamla.
Okay, so do you have to trace the figure or do you freehand the figure?
No, freehand is best. No need of tracing and all, because it is a tribal art, na? Tracing and all we do for folk art or some traditional art and all, like Tanjore painting, like that we do. It should come perfect.
Okay.
In this imperfection also there is a beauty in this.
Okay.
So
So
no need to bother, just time pass. And it comes out with bright colors. You can go crazy with the colors.
so this is a different type of hatching
Yeah.
compared to this.
Yeah. This is a dot and this is curve.
Okay.
This may be little tough for kids. Then you can use like a bud, ear bud also to put the dots for the kids. Kids are doing with me. I will suggest they can use dots to be put with a earbud or toothpick. That they can do.
Okay.
Actually, you can do like this one color and then start hatching in different colors, or like this you can do different colors background and then do hatching. So many of my painting will be one color and then hatching is of different color.
I think somebody else is asking what is Pad?
Third is Rajasthan ka pad painting. I have done that also. In my Facebook they must have seen pad painting ka procession, marriage procession I have done latest, which is sold.
Oh, sorry. Someone had asked what like you were saying earbud. So they misheard that.
Earbud, acha, yeah.
So you're saying the cotton part can be used to make dots.
Dots, yeah.
So do you use different types of hatching in one single painting?
Yeah, sometimes if the mind is telling, we do.
Okay.
And if it is required, you feel that some, like here some dots has to be inserted, like here I put some 2-3 dots. You feel like putting
Oh.
like then it is like how your mind is flowing, you can do like that. I'll try to finish at least one.
Can also show how to do these birds, how to draw them.
Draw them. See, I did freehand. I'll draw one more bird here. You can watch.
Someone is asking, is this a fish? This
No,
one.
no.
It's a bird
big
actually.
bird.
But you have done a fish also in gold, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the fish.
That's it.
So it took you only around 20 to 30 seconds to make a bird.
Yeah. Then you fill it.
Okay.
And you fill it with any color. Then like this it will come. Then you start hatching it. For hatching, you can do some border also, like this.
So what are the difficulties of painting on glass versus painting on paper?
Yeah, it takes quite a lot of time for it to get dried, and then for hatching and all, it is little holding is also little tough.
Okay.
It's nice. Good time pass.
Chitra Chiti says she appreciates your initiative and confidence.
Thank you.
Okay, so somebody asked what is hatching. So just explain it more clearly.
See, hatching is this.
So the patterns.
See, these are all known as hatching. These are all known as hatching. The designs inside the major painting that we do is known as hatching. See, hatching is of different type. See here also. This is on a paper.
So you have used different types of hatching in the same
Yeah.
painting.
Yeah.
Are they acrylic paints that you're using
Yeah.
on the bottle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because acrylic only will catch on the bottle. Other paints will not catch.
Okay.
These also Fevicryl, acrylic, but they are too watery. I will prefer like this camel acrylic. But if you have bought this, you can use them. Don't use water. Use water only to wash your brush and then wipe it off. Don't use water. If you will mix it with water, it will not stick on the bottle.
So you have to wait for the base color to dry before
Yeah.
you put the.
Yeah. Otherwise, it will get mixed up.
Okay.
Like here, it got mixed up because it was raining, no?
Oh.
That white didn't stick to that.
Okay.
Here it is come.
Okay.
It will get mixed up like that.
Okay. So Vijaya Balakrishnan is also saying that you are an expert in Tanjore painting as well.
Not Tanjore, Basica. It is Pichwai in which we use gold foil. She must have seen that.
No, but you do Tanjore painting also, right?
No, I didn't get the time to learn Tanjore, but I know what is Tanjore. My master is good at Tanjore painting. So we all used to sit and watch.
Okay, so Vijaya Balakrishnan is also asking if you have a dark colored bottle,
Ah.
how will you do it?
You do with light color like this. Light color.
Or you can paint the background, right?
Or you paint the background white and then do.
But I think it shows best on
Transparent.
transparent. Okay.
Whoever give me the bottles, I am going to gift them.
So someone said Pitchwai is now trending.
Yeah. Pichwai also, I have done so many Pichwai painting.
Right.
My Facebook ID used to be my Pichwai ka Govardhana Giridhari, which was very famous. I'll post it next time.
How long did that take you, but?
Nearly a year. It is quite a big one, and quite a big one, big canvas. And I was taking painting class for kids also at that time. And my high grave was also very small. So at that time it took nearly a year to complete my Govardhana Giridhari.
Is the bottle washable after coloring also?
Yeah, because acrylic no problem.
So you can
You don't brush it outside, only wash it from inside.
wash it from inside, okay. So you have to take care.
Yeah.
I think someone said, oh my god, because you took 1 year to complete a painting.
Pichwai is very big. It is
It's a huge painting.
4 feet by 3 feet. 4 feet by 3 feet, and I did on a cloth, Gada cloth. So I
You
had
have
to
to
treat
prepare
treatment for the Gada cloth. Proper Pichwai. I had to make it into a patta and then sketch the painting, compose the picture and then do it. And that is done on poster color. So poster color shading and all is very very nice, but it takes a lot of time.
So you do all your gond with acrylic?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all done with acrylic.
You have to always keep one bottle of water with you to hydrate.
Okay, so someone's asking if you can show your pitchwai at the end.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, the big one.
Yeah.
Okay. You can show all your big paintings at the end. Okay, someone, Priyanka Aditya Kolyakar Kulkarni has said, wow, auntie, didn't know along with yummy idlis and dosa, you also do beautiful painting.
Priyanka, the person who buys from me sambar powder and all, batter. So how is your mango business going, Priyanka?
So now what are you planning on doing?
What? No, I wanted to put white color hatching here.
So say.
Yeah, now I'll be doing white color hatching for the bird.
Someone really likes your elephant.
Yeah, that also we'll try to complete.
Priyanka says Alfonso season is now over, auntie.
So why don't you bring the seri? Your Alfonso were very good, Priyanka.
So you're continuing the same pattern.
Yeah. Here what I did.
Alternate. Oh, baby Perima's watching.
Hi, baby.
So when did you start painting?
Who is asking that?
I'm asking.
You are asking, huh? You know.
Tell everybody.
I love painting. I used to be crazy about painting. So till I found my master, I used to keep thinking how to do the painting. And the baby, my eldest sister, was learning. So I asked her to introduce me to her teacher, who turned out to be my friend also. So maybe 20-30 years I've been doing.
Okay. So somebody asked if you need to give a thick hatching.
Yeah, not necessarily, but see here in paper and all it comes thin hatching. But here the bottle and thick hatching is also looking.
Okay. Somebody asked how do you draw the elephant?
Yeah, freehand. Just now I showed how I drew this. Same thing, freehand.
So will you show it on a separate piece of paper?
I don't know if you
Yeah, I'll get it.
maybe. This also I will show.
Wait, I'll get a paper.
Okay.
Continue. Can we have a look at the paintings kept in the background? Sure. So all of these are gold, right?
Yeah.
Is that a monkey at the top?
Yeah.
And how many years ago did you do all these?
This I used to do. We had an exhibition now, some 4-5 years back
Right.
in Powai. So for that I did.
Okay, and these. Can you show the elephant?
No, this is another of my painting. I'll show it in the back side. This is Bastar.
This is Bastar.
Yeah, half done.
Okay. Someone is saying the tree looks like a full frog and you have a nice imagination.
Which tree?
I guess all the trees, especially the one at the bottom,
You look like a frog.
means like spreading out. Okay, so you're going to show the elephant. just describe it as a doing.
Very rough work of the elephant.
What is this? Is that the trunk? So describe it.
Trunk, the face, the body, and the tail.
This is the ears.
Very rough work, huh?
This is the rough work. Normally she would not stop until it got perfect. Okay, great. Which brush are you using now?
I thought that white was looking very fat now, so I thought I'll take
You went to a thinner brush.
Yeah.
Someone said we do like this of Pipli art. What is Pipli art?
Better explain.
So what color combinations do you usually take?
I like blue and white more than any other color.
Okay.
They come out very nice. It's blue and white.
Okay.
I think many is reflecting.
Yeah, blue and white. So you use a lot of blue, right?
Yeah.
In one you also used metallic paints.
Yeah, but peacock I use.
So basically Gond is all about the hatching.
Yeah. Otherwise it will look like it won't look so good as it is. After completion it comes out like alive. Otherwise it will look dull. This Japanese and it is somewhat similar to Aboriginal painting of Australia and Africa. Dot, if you use only dot, they use Aboriginal painting also in Africa and South Africa and Australia. They are known as Aboriginal painting and they are also known as dream painting. So they use more dots, only dots. They don't use all this hatching and all. Mostly only dots, small dots. I have done like that also. Here today it is not in display.
Okay. At the end, do you have any kind of thing to seal it, or does it dry on its own?
No, it dry on its own. Only if when I am doing it on canvas, I try to do the spray. Because
Okay.
for canvas and all, we don't frame it, no?
Right.
With glass.
Hmm.
So I put varnish spray on them
Hmm.
so that it will not catch dust.
Okay.
That's it. See, this liberty you can't take with other fine arts, no? Here I didn't like the blue color, so on top of that I am doing white. This liberty you won't be able to do with the other fine arts. This is almost over, this bird.
Okay.
The beak I have to do.
Filling it in.
Little bit of branch. People first they want elephant to be done.
So, do you want the elephant or do you want the bird? The question is for the viewers. Whichever one you want to see completed, please text it so that she can continue
Or
with
this-
that.
This tree also. Tree
Or she can
flowers.
continue with the trees and the flowers. So it's up to the viewers, they can choose whatever they want. If they don't choose, what are you going to do?
I'll do this.
Okay,
I'll do
wait.
the flowers and show.
Okay, so we'll see the flowers now. This is also dot hatching.
Yeah. Of the flowers.
So you've also done flowers in this one, no?
It's a lovely color.
Yeah, they wanted to see the trees and flowers.
See, I've done the background of flower yellow color. So on top of that, I am putting the dot in red.
They also want to see how to draw a tree in general. So you can show that also on the paper later.
I'm doing it quite fast, so not very perfect.
But that's the good part about
Won't.
yeah. So you can make it not perfect also, right?
Not purposely.
Not not purposely. Okay. So you give a green shade in the middle for this?
No, no, that is just like that.
Okay.
Didn't dry properly, so it's looking like green. I'll have to hatch the tree also. Do you want to see the hatching of the tree or the bird?
I think they want to see the hatching of the tree because everyone's put trees, tree, tree. You can show the hatching of the tree on this one, right?
Yeah, this also.
Someone's asking, have you done any sparrow drawing?
Sparrow.
Just only in general, whatever birds, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So even these are birds. And that's a monkey. So now you're going to show?
The tree hatching.
Okay, so now we're going to see the tree hatching.
I'm making it a light color.
Someone's asking if you will teach goond painting.
Yeah, sure. After the lockdown.
But this also, what you're doing is goond only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's just a simpler technique so that you can do it without much skill and you can do it on a curved surface like a bottle. So this is the line hatching.
Yeah. Generally, for trees, no, this looks nice.
You have done it here as well.
Yeah.
Someone said that they love the pink color.
Even I like.
Line hatching looks like a Zentangle.
Hmm.
What is a Zentangle? So in these thin branches also you will continue?
Yeah, otherwise they will not come up, no?
Okay. So the hatching, the tree is showing more.
In that I have done circles.
So this is circle hatching.
This is line hatching.
And then this is
Dot.
Someone saying it looks very good. It's neat and beautiful.
Oh.
And thank you for teaching this art. So, are there any varieties in Gond?
Yeah, there is the store, village. Can make a house, village. Like you can create a story and do that. Like savior or something like that. You can have a theme and for that also you can do.
Does it differ from region to region?
No, it is your mental. There are very family oriented. It is mostly from, it comes from family tradition. Of course, we are all doing urban good, we can say. They do in that village, they do family oriented, like Jamgi Sham used to be there, and now his brothers, mother, wife, everybody is doing.
Okay.
So he was the pioneer. After that, this Japanese called him. Somehow he was given a very big job, and he was alone, and he was doing. Probably got frustrated, and he committed suicide.
Oh, that's sad.
But still they liked it, and after that it was continued by his brother, and even his children are there. His paintings and those paintings of the family, they are all sold for very high price,
Okay.
very high price. And the animal and everything will look different. Then they will not look like a. There's even elephant. I can say it looks like a proper elephant. What they will draw will not look like a proper elephant also, but still it is loved by the people. Gond is very contemporary now. Everywhere people like it.
Okay. So after you're done with the hatching, they want to see the Pichwai painting.
Govardhan
So you have to show that.
Now they are still wanting to see, or they want to wind up. I don't know.
I think you can just end by showing them the painting.
One painting full, no? What time? Much time it is taking? Half an hour.
Okay, so do you want to sum up everything to just show them all the types of hatchings?
Yeah.
This is a deer. Oh, cool. Oh, Chitra Chitti said she will try painting Gond on the bottle.
She's doing now.
No, she said she will try. I don't know if she's doing now.
Okay. Continue. You want to see any one finished painting?
Yeah, she says, please post the pictures in the group after you complete them. So this one is completed.
Yeah, that one is completed. This one will complete for now.
So now what are you doing?
I'm putting the eye.
Okay.
This bird is over.
So the bird is completed.
It's the wing of the bird. And on a small branch it is sitting.
Sitting on a branch. And this.
These are nice tree with flower and two birds. Then this, as per your request, I drew this. We'll be finishing this. This elephant also is not yet over.
Okay, so whatever you have started painting live, they want to see the end product.
Yeah, we'll
Just post it on the group.
but it will take some time.
It will take some time. That's and this is the deer. Okay.
No, not a year, by a week.
No, I said this is the deer.
Yeah. So we can go to show them the pitch white.
Okay. So
So this is a inverted peacock. This is done with a metallic paint. Hatching is dot, mainly dot, and these are the peacocks. This. And this is a harmony, tree of harmony. And mostly line for the tree and some fruits and birds. And fish.
this is a fish.
It's a cluster of birds. Deer, Mithanam. And this is she is shielding the egg in the nest.
They love the peacock.
Almost. There is one more peacock in the apna kitchen mein. That one also we can show. Peacock, only dots, main only dots.
So who did the raindrops of this?
Raindrops even Navya did little bit, 2-3. Kerala mural Pillar.
Okay, sorry, we had bad internet connection. So yeah, this is the
Aboriginal painting. Only dots. It's a dream painting. It's done on a black home handmade paper. Yeah. Hi, thank you all for watching, and hope I didn't bore you people. We'll take you some other time. All there are more of my paintings which are lying in the cupboard. I won't mind showing, exhibiting, just to all my friends. Thank you all from wherever you all are watching. A big hug to all of you. Big hug to Vijaya and all the admin of the group. Bye.